Follow the step on how to make a half-transparent vector design. First, prepare your design, and make sure it's in the group. Go to Window, and activate Transparency panel. Make rectangle. Go to Gradient panel, and select Black and White Gradient. Use angle of -90 degrees, and make sure the black color is in the bottom position. Select all, and click Make Mask. Click the image, and click here. Press G to edit. Slide the color point. Click here to close editing. Now I will add different background to prove this image is transparent. And here are the results. To restore it to the way it was, select it and click Release. Delete. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.